How do pop-up drink stands avoid mistakes during rush periods? Pop-up drink stands avoid mistakes during rush periods by preparing ahead with organized systems and clear roles for each team member. During rush periods, pop-up drink stands must work quickly and smoothly to serve many customers without errors. They do this by having everything ready before the busy time starts, like pre-cut fruit or pre-made syrups, so they don't waste time measuring or chopping while customers wait. Each worker has a specific job, such as taking orders, making drinks, or handling payments, which helps avoid confusion and overlapping tasks. Many stands use simple checklists or color-coded cups to keep track of orders, reducing mistakes when drinks look similar. Another important part is practicing teamwork and communication, so if a problem happens, like running out of an ingredient, the team can fix it fast without slowing down. Not everyone knows that some stands even use small whiteboards to write down orders, so the whole team can see what is needed next. This way, everyone stays on the same page and customers get their drinks quickly. One common mistake is trying to do everything at once without clear roles, which causes delays and mix-ups. To fix this, assign each person a clear task before the rush starts. Another problem is running out of supplies because the stand didn't estimate demand well, so always prepare extra ingredients based on expected customer flow. Finally, some stands forget to double-check orders before handing them out, leading to wrong drinks delivered. A quick final check by the person serving helps prevent this error and keeps customers happy. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.